A very pleasant morning to all my dear students. Myself Arshita Tripathi and we are here to study the sixth part of your third chapter, a change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. So in this session we are going to study the accounting treatment of goodwill when there is a change in profit sharing रेशियो. सो जब प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो चेंज होगा मीन्स जब पार्टनर्स के बीच में प्रॉफिट का एग्रीमेंट चेंज होगा तो दिस इज नेचुरल कि प्रॉफिट चेंज होगा तो उनका गुडविल शेयर भी चेंज होगा. सो नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दैट चेंज इन द गुडविल रेशियोज. कैसे गुडविल का कैलकुलेशन हम करेंगे व्हेन देयर इज अ चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. So now let's see with the help of example. So we have one question as A and B were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. With effect from 1st January 2000, they agreed to share profits equally. So A and B were sharing in the ratio 3:2. Now they were from 1st January 2000, they decided to share the profit equally. Then for this purpose, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 30,000. Goodwill कितना है? 30,000. And we have to pass the necessary journal entries. Before passing the journal entries, we have to calculate the sacrifice or the gain done by both the partners. So now we have the old ratio as 3:2. And we have the new ratio as 1:1. Clear? So now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the sacrifice or gain. So to calculate the sacrifice or gain, what we will do? Old ratio minus new ratio. So this will be 3/5 minus 1/2, and it will come to 6 minus 1/10. So what we can see? We can see here that A has sacrificed 1/10 and B. For B, 2/5 minus 1/2. This will do 5 to the 10. Here 4, 5. So this will come to minus 1/10. Means B has gain. Clear? Means A, what we can see, A has sacrificed 1/10 of his share and the B has gained 1/10 of the share. Since A has sacrificed, he will be credited. Since A has sacrificed, he will be credited with how much amount? He will be credited with 1/10 of 30,000. He will be credited with 1/10 of 30,000. That is 3,000. Clear? Then since B has gained, B ने gain किया है, so what we will do? He will be debited with 1/10 of 30,000. What is this 30,000? This is the goodwill amount. So this will come to 3,000. So now we can pass the journal entry as B's account debit to A's account, and the amount will be 3,000. Clear? What we have done first? Firstly, we will have to calculate the sacrifice or the gain by the partners, and then we will calculate the share of the partners of the goodwill. Then We can write the narration here. Adjustment of goodwill due to change in profit sharing ratio. Yeah. Now let's see with the help of another example. So let's see. We have another example as X, Y, and Z are partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:2:1. Later on, they decided to share their profits equally, and at that time, the goodwill valuation is 60,000. So, firstly, we will have to calculate the sacrifice or the gain. So, let's calculate it for X, and it will be 3/6. This is the new old ratio. Then 1/3. It will come to 6. Here, what we have taken? We have taken 3. That is 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then here 1/3. Then 3 minus 2. It will come to 1/6. Clear? Then we have y as 2/6 minus 1/3. 6, 2, 2. This is will come to 0. 0 means what? Y has neither sacrificed nor gained. Y ने ना ही कुछ sacrifice किया है और ना ही कुछ gain किया है. Then 1/6, 1/3, and it will come to 6. 6 minus 2. What it will come to? Sorry, this will be 1/2. So here it will be minus 1/6, means Z has gained. So since X has sacrificed, he will be credited with 1/6 of 60,000, that is 10,000. Clear? And since Y has gained, he will be debited with 1/6 of 60,000, that is 10,000. So the adjustment entry will be Y's capital account debit to X capital account. And we have to write the narration also. As you all know, this is compulsory. So, adjustment of goodwill due to change in PSR. So, hope you all have understood. This is very simple. You just have to calculate the sacrifice or gain, and you have to calculate. Then you have to calculate the share for the goodwill. So, why we haven't written Y here? Because Y hasn't sacrificed anything, nor gained. So that's all for this session. Hope you have understood. In the next session, we will see the treatment for reserves and the accumulated profit. Till now, stay home, be safe. Thank you.